Hey everyone, I'm Silverwolf and my Peeps Furby Furblet arrived from Entertainment Earth. It came last week, so I'm doing a video of it now. So I don't know what sounds this one makes. I think it cheeps like a chick, but this is the Easter one for this year. At the moment, you can only buy it in America, and that probably won't change because in the UK we don't have Peeps. I like Peeps. My American friends have sent me Peeps before, and they're very tasty. So, yeah, here we go. The Peeps Furby Furblet. On the top it says, speaks Furbish, ears wiggle, music, and it harmonises with its friends. It's got massive warnings sort of labels all over it because of batteries. Although they're not quite as offensive as they sometimes are with the smaller boxes, but it's still kind of sad. I know that it's very important that it can cause injury if you swallow the batteries, but have people got less smart over the years because the thing needs to be bigger now? I would have thought it would be common sense. Anyway, so there's not really much to look at on the back, and there's a picture on the side. So let's have a look. I did actually open the box earlier because I don't have scissors with me today, because I forgot them, because we've got 2 new kittens and I've been running around after them. So alright, it's not going to stand up, is it? So let's have a look. This is all the boring kind of stuff. We've got this, which is just the usual thing, a load of warnings, what have you, in a load of different languages. We've got this, which is the actual instruction manual for it, which shows how they harmonise. As you can see, it takes 3 button cell batteries, which means most of the time when the batteries run out, a lot of people won't replace them because button cells are just annoying. You put its little headband on, you press down on its head and it makes noises. Short press, press and hold and it goes to sleep. So it's just the normal sort of thing that they normally have. That's another information about where Hasbro is, somewhere in America. So let's have a look here. I kind of wish I did have my scissors with me because I could have just cut this, but no, I decided to make things difficult for myself today. Oh, at least it didn't take that much to undo it. So we've got that, and we've got 2 more of these down here. Oh dear, I'm going to pause the video and just get back to you on this. So I've undone them. So take the little bits of card out and we should be able to lift our new friend out of the box. We'll just put the card in the bin over there. Untie these bits. It's nice that they're not using plastic ones. It's better for the environment. Oh, it's all wrapped around his ears. So when you take one out of the box, just be careful not to damage the furblet. Because it is literally sort of tied around all of it here. Here we go. Right, okay. Right, so this one reminds me of the Reese's one in a lot of ways. It's a different shape to the normal ones. Obviously, it's got Peeps written on its belly like Reese's has on its belly. I would think these would be quite good for anyone who collects Peeps memorabilia. The headband is attached at the side. You can just take it off like that. Obviously there are little holes either side, so you can put it on and take it off, and now I can't find the little holes. There we go. It may not even have little holes, it might just be something to sort of give it some grip. The ears are sort of golden sparkly. It's got like a sparkly little Peeps headband with the bunnies on there. It's got bunny Peeps in its eyes, and obviously the Peeps logo there. And it's just made of a really soft sort of plush material, and it's got a little tuft of blue hair coming off its head. I'm going to put the headband to one side so we can actually press the head button without being impeded by that. Well, that's certainly very springtime, isn't it? And the ears do move, as you can see. That was catchy.
Tweet, tweet, tweet. Mime. Mela. Woohoo! Tibo-ika.
So the first thing I notice is that usually the head button does various songs and phrases. The heart one tends to do more kind of musical stuff. And the beak is for feeding. Well, this one, the beak isn't for feeding. It's just making more noises and tweeting and things like that. And it seems to me that the buttons are all kind of like very similar. I don't know whether it's just, I just noticed that they seem to all do similar things for this particular one. Also, I'm not sure if the sounds on it are similar to the Reese's one or Nugget, the little chick one that they released last Easter. They do sound a little bit familiar, some of them as well. So yeah, it's interesting that this doesn't make eating sounds. And to be honest, when I first started pressing the little beak, I thought, oh, it's just going to go tweet, tweet, tweet when I press the beak. So it didn't do that. It started singing and things, but yeah. These ones seem to be, I don't know, weirdly more substantial and hefty than the regular Furblets. And of course the ears move, and I like that the ears move, although it is kind of misleading because I think it says somewhere about the ears moving on the box and things like that, and it does make you think that the ears move when it talks. They don't. You have to press the button, and it's just an action that they do. So there we go. That's the Peeps Furblet. So what do you think? Do you like it? Do you not like it? Do you think it's repetitive? I think that it's nice that they're doing these collaborations, because instead of doing, releasing lines and lines of Furby Furblets and reusing voice clips, if they do less of them, but make them special, like this one, the Minions one, the Grogu one, the Reese's one, the K-pop Demon Hunters ones, I think it's more worth it. It's more worth collecting things like that. And if Furby becomes like a big thing, maybe they'll be worth something in the future. You never know, because collaboration things are usually quite popular with collectors. So yeah, for memorabilia and stuff like that, I think that would be quite good. They should do like Coca-Cola and Pepsi and things, because they're quite big and people do collect things with those on. So that's another good idea for maybe a Furblet collaboration. Anyway, if you want to see more of these guys, you can click the boxes that come up below. As always, if you enjoy what I do, feel free to send me a tip over on Ko-fi. Link is in the description, or YouTube super thanks. And that's all for now. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep being awesome. This is Silver signing off.